See this cup of coffee? I'm gonna show you how to make coffee like this in the woods. No filters, just plain, straight coffee. Stay tuned. So I'm out here on some public land, just enjoying being outside, been doing some scouting. And just had lunch, and I'm gonna make me a cup of coffee. Well, I wanna show you guys how to make coffee with no filter. You can do this same approach over an open fire. Making coffee just the old-fashioned way. I used to always wonder, how did the Cowboys do it on the open trails? You know, they didn't have coffee pots and a filter. You know, they didn't have some of these commodities that we have now. And so I discovered and I learned, you know, honestly through some YouTube videos and things like that about cowboy coffee. And when I go camping, when I go hiking, I like to make cowboy coffee because one, it's less things to carry, very simple, and basically all you need is just some kind of pot. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. You guys can see that I've added my water here. I'm gonna go ahead and begin to heat that up. All right, it's been going for a little while. It's getting nice and warm. You're starting to see some bubbles form around in the water. We're gonna go ahead and add my my coffee right there. With this one, again, your grounds are gonna be added based on how much water and how much coffee you're making, obviously. So you have to kind of play it by ear. If I fill this thing up, usually I'll add about maybe four scoops, something like that. But I'm gonna do some heaping scoops. Go 1, 2, 3, and that honestly, I'm gonna do maybe about a half. All right, 3.5, we'll go with that. So you're gonna let the coffee grinds sit in there, and they're gonna heat up. You're gonna eventually stir it. So, and it looks crazy. It's like, what? You're just throwing coffee grounds. If I say grinds, bear with me. You're just throwing coffee grounds directly into the water. No filter, nothing. But this is the way it's done. So just stay tuned, and I'll show you how you get a finished product. Now you're gonna have to pay careful attention to your water. When it starts to boil, you're gonna need to turn your heat down, take it off the heat, turn the heat down, put it back on a low heat. So you're gonna do a simmering boil. Right now you can see it's not ready yet, but I'm gonna just give it a little stir and stir up some of those coffee grinds. Now look at that crema on top. Oh yeah, that's good stuff right there. All right, you can begin to see the bubbles that are starting to form. This is where you gotta watch it. You don't want it to boil over. And when that thing starts to boil, it's gonna boil fast. I'm gonna turn the heat down. I've turned the heat down. Got a rolling boil. There we go. And I'm gonna let this boil like this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, once it's had that rolling boil for about 3 or 4 minutes, you're gonna take it off the heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my heat off. And now I'm gonna let it sit just a little while, okay? Because you've got all those grinds or grounds, whatever you wanna say, you've got them all floating around inside that. So we're gonna give that time to settle, and then I'm gonna show you the secret to get those grounds out of the way. You've taken it off the heat, you've allowed it to sit for a little while. You're gonna take some cold water, okay? And you're simply going to put a little bit of cold water inside that pot. That's gonna do two things. One, it's gonna cool it down a little bit so you can drink it. Two, it's gonna shock those grinds, and those grinds are gonna be able to sink to the bottom of this pot. And then you'll be able to pour you a great cup of coffee out in the woods. Check this out. Beautiful. for a cold day, it's nice to have a cup of coffee. All right, so this is the bottom. Usually you don't want to drink all that's at the bottom, but I want to show you how the grinds, see the grinds there? They're right there at the bottom. You can make coffee, no filter. You just have something to boil your water in. And really, if you wanted to, you could probably just drink it straight out of this. You wouldn't even need an additional cup. So, time to enjoy being in nature. Enjoy God's creation. Thanks for watching. Remember, Jesus loves you no matter what you're going through. Call on Christ, and Christ can set you free.